Hi guys, so this is part 3 of my sneaker raffle journey, and this video will be showing the result. So for the first result, I actually joined the Titan raffle a few days ago. Oh, we got an L, guys. So my only chance now is the Commonwealth raffle. Hi guys, Commonwealth just posted this. I didn't get a text, a call, or an email, so that means I got a... I didn't win for this raffle, but it's okay guys because there are other great sneakers that will be releasing this year. So let's move on to the next one.
24 hours later.
Hello, nice to meet you. Big fan kasi ako ni Virgil, kaya sabi ko kahit resell, okay ako. Excited na ako. Ang ganda. Thank you ha. Grabe ako ka-happy. Thank you. Ingat. Done deal guys. We got the pair. So nice.